Okay, and this is a very quick tutorial just to show you how to update old textures with the new teeth textures for your avatar. So it's very straightforward. All you need is a piece of editing software that is compatible with opening Photoshop files. Obviously, Photoshop works. Photopea, which is a free online version of Photoshop, will also work. I will link that in the description of this video. But almost any piece of photo editing software or image editing software will work with this. So all you're going to do is find this file in this folder structure. So Crispy Bunny materials, new teeth textures, and then double click to open it up. And then in Photoshop or whatever piece of editing software you use, you'll see the background texture. This will be a default rabbit, and up here you see these gray teeth. These are the new teeth that you're going to add to your own textures. So you want to find your color. It's called an albedo texture, which is a color texture of your avatar base. You're going to import it somehow, drag it in or copy it into here so it sits over this background. If I switch off this background, you can see there's this cutout of the teeth up here. You want it so that you have your actual old texture here and the new teeth appearing over the top. And then all you do is just export it as a PNG and make sure that you overwrite your old texture file. And that will add these into your for your new avatar. You will now have proper teeth and proper teeth textures. Yeah, that's about it.